Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into one of the most talked about legal sagas in recent memory. Jussie Smollett's conviction has been overturned, and the plot just keeps thickening. Let's rewind a bit. Back in January 2019, Jussie Smollett, known for his role in Empire, reported that he had been the victim of a horrifying hate crime. The news sent shockwaves through Hollywood and beyond. Smollett claimed that he was attacked by two men who yelled racist and homophobic slurs, poured a chemical substance on him, and even tied a noose around his neck. But wait, things took a sharp turn when the Chicago police investigated and found evidence suggesting that Smollett had staged the whole thing. Enter the Osundairo brothers, two acquaintances of Smollett, who testified that they were paid to help orchestrate the attack. In March 2019, Smollett was charged with filing a false police report. However, in a twist that left many scratching their heads, those charges were suddenly dropped after Smollett agreed to forfeit his $10,000 bond and perform community service. This decision led to outrage and confusion, prompting the appointment of a special prosecutor. Fast forward to February 2020. Smollett was indicted once again, and this time, the case went to trial. The Osundairo brothers took the stand, providing detailed accounts of their involvement in the staged attack. Despite Smollett's continued claims of innocence, he was found guilty on 5 counts of disorderly conduct. Let's talk about the aftermath. Smollett faced professional fallout, losing his role on Empire, and the city of Chicago sued him to recover the costs of the investigation. But Smollett wasn't ready to give up. His legal team argued that the second round of charges violated his rights, citing double jeopardy and judicial bias. After numerous appeals and legal maneuvers, the Illinois Supreme Court finally ruled in Smollett's favor in late 2024. They found that his rights were indeed violated when the special prosecutor charged him after the initial agreement to drop the case. This ruling has reignited debates about the justice system, celebrity influence, and the integrity of legal agreements. So, what's next for Jussie Smollett? While his legal battle might be over, the court of public opinion is still out. This case has certainly left a mark, not just on Smollett's career, but on how we view celebrity justice and the complexities of the legal system. That's all for today, folks. If you found this deep dive into Smollett's legal saga interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. And of course, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this roller coaster case. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos, and share this video with friends to spread the word. See you in the next one!